the seventh letter of the Arabic alphabet, and the last in the set of three letters that look like the number 7 with a tail. We had Jim, Ha, and now Kha, the last one. Let's focus on Kha. Now Kha is pronounced Kha, as someone clearing their throat. Gross, I know, gross. It also sounds like the C and H in Loch Ness. You know, that lake in Scotland where the mysterious monster lives?
Are you the Loch Ness Monster?
Kha is a sound that is common in a number of European languages as well, but not English. That's why Kha doesn't have a counterpart in the English alphabet. And this is the only way to pronounce it, whether in Fusha, modern standard Arabic, and in slang, in all accents. A good example for a word that starts with Kha would be khawkh. Khawkh, which means peach or plum or a fruit of that sort. Notice that word starts with kha and ends with a kha. Khawkh. Okay, so practice this one as well. If you have any questions, comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.